Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coin and welcome to the latest hunt. This is a naughty but nice hunt. I have two sets of coins, one that was made as naughty and the other was a nice. Now the job that you've got over the next 10 minutes or so, or however long this takes, is to make a choice. Which set of coins you prefer, the naughty coins or the nice coins? And the way to do this is to look which of these two sets would you like in your particular collection. So here's the first coin. Okay, and the second coin. And you have to do this simply on the way that the coins look. There we go. We have a hold coin, or sometimes referred to as a polo coin. And for those of you who are not in the know, polo was a mint with a hole in it. And the next one. As you can see, I'm not giving you any information or little information about each coin, so you can make your decision purely on what you feel would best suit your collection. And the reverse is that one. And we have a big old coin with Elizabeth II on there. And there is the reverse. There you go. And the final coin in the nice section is that. Now these naughty and nice coins, I didn't actually decide what coins went into which bags. They're sent to me by Captain Caveman, who I thank gratefully for receiving these coins and giving us a series of coins to a series of battles, of which this is one of them. And this starts off the naughty section. There you go. When I asked him what made up his mind of what was naughty and what was nice, he said, well, the nice coins were coins that I liked. The naughty ones, he wanted me to guess why they were naughty. I'm still undecided. There you go, there's the reverse. In each set so far, just recently, we've had a coin with a hole in. and this one's no exception. There you go. There's the next coin. And there you go. There's the reverse side as I've viewed it. Not necessarily the reverse side. That's the way that the companies use them. Or the... There you go. There's a new... the latest one, next one. Excuse me, bit snuffly today. There you go. There you go, there's the first side of this coin. And the second side. Let's bring a scalloped coin in. There you go. And the next side. There we go. We have 3 coins from Thailand that are all the same value. And finally, we have a 1 yen coin from Japan. On this side we have the nice, on this side we have the naughty. Which of this set of coins do you like the most? Tell me in the description below. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. And finally, I am trying to up my subscriber level. Originally in January this year, of 2023, I set a target of 250, which would have been an increase of 150 for that year. I managed to reach that target at the end of November of 2023. I'm slightly over the 250 subscriber mark now. However, I still wish to carry on growing my channel. In January, I'll set a new target for 2024 for my subscriber level that I'd like to try and reach. But if you believe I deserve it and you haven't yet subscribed, could you please do so? And if you've enjoyed this video, could you give me the thumbs up? Doing either of those 2 tasks won't cost you any money, so please do so if you believe I deserve it. Finally, thank you for staying to the end, and till we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you and bye bye. Ta-da now.